Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Logitech mouse scroll wheel is not working, then watch this video for the solutions. So the first solution is to clean the mouse, especially on the bottom side of the mouse where the light emanates. If you're using a optical mouse, we need to clean it because if there are any smudges on it, if it's dirty, then it's not able to pick up the signals well. The second one would be is to reconnect the mouse, especially if you're using a USB port mouse. So you need to reconnect it back. It might be a loose connection or it might not have sat in properly with the USB port. Now the third option is to use a different USB port from the one you're using right now. If none of these work, then you need to restart your PC. If you restart your PC and the scroll wheel still doesn't work, then you need to run an SFC scan. For that, you need to go to command prompt, right click, run as admin, and we need to input the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Along with that, we'll update the mouse driver. So we'll go to device manager and we will expand mice and other pointing devices, right click on it, click on update driver, and for the next two also we can right click update driver and do the same for the third one, and then we restart the computer. It should probably work by now. The scroll wheel should start working, but if it doesn't, then we can check the mouse scroll settings. So for that, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, and in this we will look for the mouse panel. And here we need to make sure that this panel scroll inactive windows when hovering over them is always on. And if it's not, just switch it on and your problem should be resolved. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.